Today we read 2 Kings 19 and Psalms 46, 80, and 135. It was kind of fun to be back in the Psalms again. What stood out to me was Psalm 46:10. It said, "Be still and know that I am God." It's possible that line is familiar to you, but how often do we actually have that posture in a time of stress? These people are literally facing annihilation from neighboring people groups, and they are told to be still and know that I'm God. Would you join me in responding with an old one from Steven Curtis Chapman called "Be Still and Know"? Be still and know that He is God. Be still and know that He is holy. Be still, O restless soul of mine. Bow before the Prince of Peace. Let the noise and clamor cease. Be still and know that He is God. Be still and know that He is faithful. Consider all that He has done. Stand in awe and be amazed. Know that He will never change. Be still. Be still and know that He is God. Be still and know that He is God. Be still and know that He is God. Be still. Be still and know that He is God. Be still and know He is our Father. Come rest your head upon His breast. Listen to the rhythm of His faithful heart of love, beating for His little ones, calling each of us to come. Be still. I pray we would learn to be still and trust God when we are in times of trial or just daily stress. As people of the God of the universe, we have been given an enormous gift to not have to stress out and live with anxiety like most of the world. We can live with joy and rest in whatever comes because we know who's in control and we know He is good. Thanks for worshiping with me today. I'm Debbie Byrd, and I'll see you tomorrow.